Morning legends, we are off to Meadowhall. Right, I don't live a million miles away from Sheffield, but we're going to do the journey. In that, I've got the tribe loaded up, the wife's doing whatever the wife's doing. So we're going to go to Meadowhall and see what the crack is today. It ain't the warmest, it's a temperature of freezing. Welcome to the sunny UK. It looks amazing, it really isn't, by the way. So yeah, I'm going to drive to Meadowhall now and I'll check in when we get there. See you in a bit. Hey, are you legends? Look, we made it, Meadowhall. It only took about an hour to get here. So there we go. We're going to have a tour now and see what the crack is. There's how we get in. I really need a wee. See you in a bit. Here we are, look. We're in Sheffield now. We're at, where are we? Do you know? What's the big building? Meadowhall. Right, we're in Meadowhall in front of Poundland because it's a nightmare to find a toilet around here. I've only just got to the toilet, but we're all right, aren't we, Jack? Yeah, and we got the three troubles here. There they all are. So now we're going to see what, I don't know, the crack is in Sheffield. As a side note to what I'm doing, we're getting 10,000 steps in Meadowhall as well. So I started on a basically 400 when we rocked up in the car park. So I've had a pretty slow start to the morning. There's Lex. Never really get her on camera, but today she's on camera. So 10,000 steps in Meadowhall. What am I on now? Hold on. Oh, put my hand over this. This is where I need your filming skills, Lex. So we're on 1660, and I ain't spent out yet. So yeah, will I lose more pounds as in pounds or pounds as in weight today? We know where that's going, don't we? See you in a bit. So I actually don't know where I am in Meadowhall, but there's that one, and then, oh yeah, of course, when you've got teenage daughters and a wife, there's that one. But that's quite a nice view as well, isn't it? So I am on, currently, 3,500 steps. We've got a shitload more to do. Quick fuel stop, and we've had to get all the samples in the world from there of random vanilla smelling whatevers. Got a little haul from Sports Direct. I might show you that in a little bit when we get it out. The kids are having a refuel at the minute with the Coke Zeros, and Jack's picked some ghost cookies and whatever. The wife's there, the little pack horse, look, there she is, look, with all the goods. So yeah, more wandering. We ain't leaving until we've done 10,000 steps. So yeah, and I'm balls deep in haul at the minute. So yeah, I'm gonna lose more cash than I am weight today. We're back. How many steps in are we, Jack? Do we know? 5,476. We're doing all right, aren't we? Yeah. Sissy's and Rachel have just gone back to the car to put some stuff in the boot, haven't they? Yeah. And what are we doing? Good in the sun? It's actually quite warm here, guys, to be fair. It's actually quite warm. Yeah, so we're bang in the centre of Meadowhall. Obviously, we're outside of it. It's busy, but expensive. Oh, expensive. Yes. We've just sorted out Lacey a new coat, so we're on it today. This is VW Mechanic on tour. We're loving it, so next update in a bit, but we're not leaving until I've got 10,000 steps. Simple as that. Right, I have to wrap up the Sheffield video. I'm back at home now, by the way. We was meant to get 10,000 steps, however it got crazy busy, and I just got bored. Easy done. A man in my condition, it's easy done. So here's a roundup to the video. I am currently out wandering around the streets, getting me 10k steps in, and I've just had a parcel from Shein arrive, so I'm off down there to pick it up while getting me steps in, of course. And then I'll bring you a little haul video, because a lot of it's gym clothes, which I'm wearing the Gym King hoodie today. I've had this for a while, to be fair, but I never fit in it because I've recently lost a little bit of weight. Other than that, guys, it's a roundup of the Sheffield visit. Obviously not 10,000 steps in Sheffield, but I will have 10,000 steps by the end of today, and a tree attacking me. But other than that, guys, I hope you've had an amazing Sunday. Keep with it. Stick with me on the lives as well. And we'll have, we're normal chats on lives, aren't we? So have a great Sunday, guys. See you later.